Rating what I ate on my flights Bogota Seoul. Dinner 1, 8 tenths. Chicken and rice, potato salad, juice. Pineapple dessert, roll. Everything was just fine. The dessert was nothing special. Breakfast 1 4 tenths. Spinach empanada, fruit, yogurt, juice, roll, butter and jam. The empanada was too dry. The roll was literally old, hard and dry. The fruit was fresh enough. Dinner 2, 9 tenths. Meat, mashed potatoes, veggies, crackers, cheese. Salad, dessert, bread, juice. Mashed potatoes was very fresh. The meat was soft and tasty. Crackers and cheese, also good. Breakfast